Scanimation is the art of real-life animated pictures based on tricking our brain to give an illusion of movement. This effect is created by moving a striped transparent overlay, which I will call grid, across an interlaced image, which I will further refer to as a Scanimation image. You can create your own Scanimations using a web app. Let me show you how. Download and unpack the sample animation. You can find the link below in the description of this video. Open Scanimation.org in your desktop browser. Select and drag the animation frames into the blue area. You can learn more about animation using the Help button in the corner. Preview the animation by pressing the play button. You can keep all of the settings as default values. To learn more about this setting, view the corresponding help. Now press the Scanimate button. Download both grid and Scanimation images. Print the grid on a transparent paper and Scanimation image on a regular office paper. Now you can try out the Scanimation effect yourself. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, let me know in the comments below. If you want to learn more about Scanimation, I highly recommend watching the second video, Scanimation tips and tricks, on this channel. Don't forget to join the Scanimation community, link is in the description. Like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.